Hi, I'm Teresa Perlyberg with Bear Creek Felting.
And I'm Chris Armbrust with Dakota Fiber Mill, and together we are Shepherd Industries, coming at you from the living room of the Perlybergs.
Yeah, we decided to opt out of using the, I can't even think of what it's called, the grocery store.
The grocery store,
or the school.
Yep. Well, and plus we're going to film our
Fiber Friends.
Fiber Friends, yes. We're doing a little feature, a little showcase of a different fiber animal, so you can kind of get to know some of the flock and where we get our fibers from and whatnot. So I thought you might like to meet them.
Yes, so we'll brave the elements later.
Yes. We were doing a ram, right?
Yes, well, hopefully.
Yeah.
They sometimes try to kill you, so we'll see.
So, and it's breeding season, so they might be even more.
We'll do it from a distance.
Yes.
Point them out, maybe.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah. Sometimes they're so preoccupied during this time that
might work
they don't care about us.
Maybe a little food, a little treat. Bribe them.
Yeah, maybe.
Right now, well, the roof is done. Both roofs are shingled and looking beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they took our fire escape off gingerly. God bless them. Yep.
And they're working on the installation in the gym.
Mm-hmm.
We haven't seen that yet,
No,
so we're excited.
We're excited to get over there.
And they worked on the plumbing.
Yep.
And
and chopping up the concrete in the gym where they need to put the footings for the catering kitchen, and the mezzanine that's going to go over to the
school.
The school kitchen. Yeah, the big kitchen.
Cafeteria.
The cafeteria.
And hopefully this week they're taking down the back.
Yeah.
I don't know.
That's why they took the fire escape down in preparation for that. Because
probably not.
That's the last side they have to cut up, is that side. And then.
So it could be next week.
Yeah.
Maybe. Who knows?
We'll find out.
See
Hopefully
today when we get
there's
there.
a plan. Yep, we'll let you know.
So we're going to share what we've been working on this week. You going to start?
Yeah. Oh, sure. We've got some more. We've got
some pillows.
Pillows.
Aren't they
got
adorable?
gray backs and then the felted fronts. And everyone will be different. So that's what we're working on this week. So these will be fun to have.
And they look beautiful on my couch.
Yeah. Yeah,
I'll
they
share some
do.
pictures.
Yeah, they do. They're awesome. They're just
They match my house.
they're beautiful. One of a kind.
Love them. Yes.
So we'll have them for sale at the Fargo Pride of Dakota show in Fargo, North Dakota. At the Shields Arena. Next weekend. Oh, it's next weekend. Oh my goodness, we have much to do.
We will have 2 pillows there.
For sure, 2 pillows. and then at Chicago, we'll have more.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we'll have a bunch of the tote bags
and
that
all
we've
sorts
shared
of
before.
stuff.
If you haven't seen them, you have to go back and look.
Yep.
And all
and
the rest
yarn.
of our products will have there too, as well as Nome Schoolhouse.
Yeah, and yarn. I did some bison yarn, and I wanted to kind of walk through the process of how you do bison, because it's very different than any other fiber. The reason that bison yarn is so expensive is you don't just walk up to the bison or the buffalo and comb them or shear them. It's not done that way. The hides are sheared after they're slaughtered, or else where I get most of mine is where the gentleman I buy my hay from for my animals. He raises bison, and when he runs them through the chutes to give them their shots and that sort of thing, he pulls it off of their neck, their mane area. It starts to shed naturally, and then he can pull it off. And that's my preferred way, because then most of the guard hairs stay right on the animal, and all you're getting is that nice soft down that's right next to the animal, which is what we use to put into yarn and roving and whatnot. And otherwise, this is the other way, where after they shear them at slaughter, is you get it like this. And the first step then this is what I used in this yarn that I made. This is how it started. This is how I get it from, can you smell it? It smells horrible.
Yes. Yeah.
It smells like dirty, rotten feet. It's an awful smell. They shear the hides after they slaughter them, and so you get like all these guard hairs like this just icky. Oh, just smells horrible. And the first step then is I go through and I hand pick all these guard hairs out of the mess. And what we want is this real soft down. This is primo right here. Isn't that beautiful? That's what we want for the yarn, but
so
it needs
it's a little bit like muskox.
Very much like muskoxen, yeah.
Because you have to pick out the guard hairs.
You have to pick out the guard hairs, and then after I go through the process of picking out the guard hairs and the bits of chaff and whatnot that are in here, then I wash it, and then I run it through my carder once alone to dehair it so that it kicks out the guard hairs that I missed. And then after that, then it gets blended in with the wool, because I used wool, my own wool for the Romney I used, and then so it's 60% wool and 40% bison, and this is and it's beautiful and it's super soft and it's nice, and I just left it the bison color. I have blended it in with like a white or a gray, a lighter colored, and then over dyed it into like a deep burgundy and colors like that. You can do that, but this I'm just going to leave regular bison colored because I like it. So yeah, these skeins will be up for sale on the website. So if you want to work with bison,
yes,
you will have that opportunity. So that's kind of what I've been doing, and it's very time consuming to do batches of bison yarn or roving for that matter because of all the
steps.
Yeah, it's lots of steps, and it's not fun because it's very stinky.
Yeah.
You know, until you get it washed. Once you wash it, then it's fine. The Echo Scour just melts all that stink away, I guess. Yeah.
So I'll share what I've made some pumpkins.
Oh, cute.
They're like the natural colored.
Oh, they are super cute.
They look cute together.
Super, super cute.
And then I've been making mini snowmen, so lots of them. I tried to build up my inventory on them this time of year. And then I've been working on a course in the academy, the cornucopia course. So this week I did the lesson on the apple and the pear, and there's acorns and pumpkins and the Welby grapes. So that's all in the Bear Creek Needle Felting Academy, in the library of courses that are available in there. And then I also now have, when you go to purchase a pumpkin kit, you can get enough wool to make 3 extra pumpkins in the orange color, or you can get it in gray or white. So I just added that. People were requesting the different colors. So
Very good. Very, very good.
that's about what I've been doing.
Yeah, that's about what I've been doing. So
Yeah, so we can do our questions,
yes.
and then we can head out to see meet some of the fiber
Yes.
friends.
All right. Congratulations on the new grandbaby. Yes, I spent a week in Iowa with my new grandbaby. Oh, it was so wonderful. So wonderful. Oh, yeah. Anyway. Okay. I'm from Iowa, just over an hour east of Marion. Oh, for awesome, because that's where I was. I was in Marion. Love your weaving. You all have mad skills. That's great. Do you know when the ceiling in the gym will be done? Will contractors be doing that work, or will you be doing it yourselves? I'm so anxious to see it all when you open the doors for the public. The gym will be done as soon, or the ceiling in the gym will be started as soon as the electrical rough-in is finished, and then they'll come back and put the rest of the insulation in, and then the ceiling goes on, so that, because then that ceiling has to go on, which is a beadboard look, which would be beautiful, in between the
big beams.
Yeah, the big beams, and then we can put the light fixtures in. So we got to kind of get that, and we're going to be doing that, myself, my husband, and whatnot, because it's not a difficult thing.
Yeah, so contractors are doing the insulation and the electrical, but we'll be doing
the finishing. And we're also bricking the lower part around the windows and whatnot. We're going to brick that so that it matches the
outside of the school.
So it's going to look amazing in there. And then the light fixtures that we are making, and it's so
and the new
exciting.
garage door.
Yes.
When is that coming? Forget.
19th.
Okay. Soon.
Next week, yeah. Yeah, and an idea we have for the walls, which we'll save for a later date.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going to be
That'll be a
amazing.
surprise.
That'll be a surprise. That's going to be amazing. Thanks for the information about the one-of-a-kind show. It sounds wonderful. I'm going to try to make it. Oh, that would be great. Yay.
Yeah,
Yay,
that's
yay.
the one-of-a-kind show is in Chicago. We'll be there. It's the
4th through the 7th.
4th through the 7th of December.
Yeah.
It's in the Merchandise Mart, and we'll be doing that. I've done it for several years. Chris will be joining me this year, and we'll have both of our things there. And yeah,
Selling like
it's
mad.
like
Yeah.
over 600 artists, 65,000 people come through. So
It's going to be
it's
awesome.
gonna be exciting.
I'm excited for it. I'm excited. All right, Elizabeth's knitted Christmas stockings are gorgeous. Yes, they are. So surprised to hear about possum yarn. Would never have guessed there is such a fiber. Yes, and that I processed possum too. She blended it in with a wool, and it processed quite fine. It's short, it's soft, but yeah, it's just different. I didn't ask her where she got the possum from.
Yeah, a lot of possums.
Yeah, I don't know if she sheared it up, if they're hunters or what.
Or they're bigger possums.
Yeah, but yeah, so that's kind of a fun fiber to work with.
Yeah, if you missed Libby's stockings, we shared them in the last episode, and you can also find her on Knit Fix by Purly, Purly, on Etsy. If you're looking for her stuff.
Yep, beautiful, beautiful handmade stuff. Okay, so sorry to hear about the deleted video. Ugh, yes, been there. Teresa, I loved your blog post about how fiber arts can be a therapeutic outlet. Absolutely. Have you considered hosting any art therapy classes for the school?
We're open to hosting most things, I guess.
Absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
That would be a great retreat idea to bring in. I know there's some great therapy artists, folks in the Fargo area that we could bring out.
Or yeah, we would bring in
Yeah,
anywhere really if they were
Yeah,
interested.
absolutely.
And if that was something, we had an interest in or need for,
Yep,
we'd sure consider it.
you bet. You
We're
bet.
certainly not qualified, but
No, but there's a lot of art therapists out there that are and that specialize in that. So that would be awesome.
yes.
Be a great setting for that. Absolutely. We're drawing for a skein of bison yarn.
Oh, there we go. That's perfect.
200 yard skein. It's a DK. Yes.
That'd be lovely.
Yeah. That'll be
All
fun.
right.
Okay. Oops. Hold on.
So that
Okay.
you'd get that prize if you comment or ask questions below this video
This
on
video,
this
yep.
episode, because we'll be giving that away next time.
Yep.
So just
yes.
comment, and you will be put in the drawing. So we're ready to draw for last week's prize, which I don't remember what it is. We'll have to look that up.
We'll look that up and you will get it.
Organized in the future.
Oh, it's been a crazy week.
So there's 1 through 5.
Yep.
3.
Lorraine.
Lorraine, you're the winner. So you just need to contact us through the contact form on nomeschoolhouse.com or through bearcreekfelting.com, and we will and give us your address, and we'll send out your prize.
Thank
And
you.
I'm not sure what it is, but
It'll be
it'll
wonderful.
be a really big surprise.
Yeah, be a surprise to us too. No. But no,
I think we
have
announced
a
it
record.
last
Yeah, we did.
We just have to watch your videos.
Pathetic. Anyway, yes.
Well, thank you so much for watching, and
Yes,
we
thank
will
you.
see you outside
Yep.
in the sheep pen.
Bye-bye.